Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing, reviewing, and setting up our Ziploc organizer. Alright, so this came from Amazon and it came just as is. You see me taking it outside the box. It was open and everything. I don't know what Amazon is thinking these days, but yeah, it came in that box opened, which was kind of disappointing. But nothing was wrong with the product in itself, so that's not bad. It came with those screws, so you can actually put it on the wall or you can put it in a drawer. So it also came with labels. I don't care so much for these labels, but for right now, the font, I'm not so keen on this type of font, but I'm gonna be using it just because it came with the product and there's nothing wrong with it. Okay, so it also came with those two sections where you can either put your parchment or you can put foil or plastic, and that's your cutter, people. It comes with the cutters. Just by looking at it, you can tell that it's well made. You can, the holes on the back, as you can see, is for hanging on the wall. I don't think I'll be doing that right now. I am in the process of wanting to do my pantry, but that it's gonna be expensive to do at once. So what I'm gonna be doing is slowly gather my items, and then I'll do like a whole review or a whole organization of the pantry, and then I'll share that with you guys. But today all we're doing is organizing the Ziplocs, because everybody know if you use Ziploc, you know they can be a pain if they are not contained. If they are unorganized, it can be overwhelming, and I don't like to not be able to find my way or easily access things around the house. So let's get started. As you can see, the two holes on the side is where you're going to push your foil or your plastic. So what Zane and I are about to do right now is we're going to add the stickers. So we're going to be just moving it around to see what works best for us. All right, you guys, so we are done, and this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to load in my Ziplocs, because listen, people, like, they were slowly moving on top of the refrigerator, and I really want nothing on top of the refrigerator. So I'm like, okay, here's a great way to stay organized. This is a great way to keep that drawer organized. So there's the two holes I was telling you about. Your foil and your plastic or parchment can go in here. So we're just gonna fit those in, and then we're going to do the test cut to see if it actually cuts. But I'm loving it so far. Really loving it so far. And like I told you guys in my very first video, anything that we show on here or review on here, we make on here, any DIYs will be items that we're going to be using in this house. We're not just going to be buying stuff just to show on the channel. This is actually something that we're going to be using. It's very functional, and I already in my head, I'm thinking of a place where this is gonna go. So you guys, it's going to find a place to call home inside our home. So all right, we're about to do the test cut to see if the cutters actually work. Genius. Look at that. Even Sone's able to cut it. What? That's amazing. All right, so that works. The cutters work. I'm loving it so far. So let's see if it cuts the plastic as well. Okay guys, so we're loading in the other Ziplocs here.
Yay!
And this is what it looks like, the finished product. Loving it. All right, let me give you guys a close up of what is going on here. So this is going to be part of our big organization, but we're not quite ready yet. And look guys, like, it's gonna go here. Look how perfectly it fits into this drawer. If this is something you would consider using in your kitchen, leave us a comment down below. We want to know your thoughts. What do you think about it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Love you.